guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about a certain set of rules that I am going to follow religiously in the coming year 2026 to become the best version of myself. 25 rules to follow to become that girl. Now, what do I mean by that girl? Some people take life on an autopilot mode. I am not one of those people, and I'm certain many of the people out there are not those kind of people कि जो हो रहा है जाने दो, मैं ऐसी हूँ तो ऐसी ही रहूँगी. No, most of us really want to become better versions of ourselves. Most of us really want to keep on evolving, and obviously a new year can feel like a good excuse to start implementing certain changes in your life. Now, every woman, I will tell you, has this version of that girl that she looks up to, woman that she actually wants to become, right? But how do you become that? And I have come up with these set of rules that if you actually follow, you are going to end up becoming that woman. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get into it. First point is build a daily routine. Having a set routine in your life is going to help you feel grounded. It's going to make you feel secure, safe and stable. Point number 2, clean out your space. Less clutter means more clarity. Physical space, digital space, emotional space, mental space. Anything that is cluttering your life, get rid of it. Do one thing on a daily basis that the best version of you would do. It can be anything small, maybe lighting a candle just for the sake of it, putting on that expensive lotion, putting on that perfume in the morning just for yourself, even if you're not stepping out. It helps you start becoming her. Fourth point is cut out processed food. Anything that comes out of a wrapper, try to cut it out. This is going to help you have better skin, better hair, better gut health. Overall, it will be good for you. Do that. Point number 5, make fitness your lifestyle. Do not look at it as something that you have to do. Look at fitness as something that is a part of you. Point number 6, treat yourself frequently. Do not wait for somebody else to make you feel special. That is your job. Treat yourself like the queen that you are. Why are you waiting for somebody else to do that for you? Point number 7 is get 7 to 10 hours of sleep consistently. Sleep is very important. Resting is very important. Point number 8, have weekly and monthly meetings with yourself. Take a journal, write what all habits you developed, what all habits you did not follow through, what are your goals for this coming week, for this coming month. Rest of the year, you are going to be very conscious, very intentional with what you are doing, with what you want to do, with what you are getting done. That is exactly how you create the life that you want. Point number 9, unsubscribe, unfriend, unfollow everything and everyone that does not serve you. Number 10, try to cook 80% of your meal. What you eat is very important. So try to have a say in that. Point number 11 is create boundaries with yourself and people, especially with people. Create a lot of boundaries with how people are going to treat you, with how people are going to speak to you, with how people are going to show up for you, with how you are going to do all those things for other people. 2026 is not the year we are going to let people walk all over ourselves. Point number 12 is step out every day. For me especially, because I work from home and I live alone, it gets really lonely, but I make sure that even on the days that I don't go to the gym or I don't have anything to go outside for, even on those days I step out for a walk, I go visit my parents, I go to my sister's place, I go meet a friend. I just step out every day. Don't isolate yourself. That is the worst thing that you can do to yourself. Point number 13 is maintain good appearance. I don't know how looking good and taking care of your appearance became something that is very superficial and not important, but it is. Put makeup on, wear nice outfits, dress up good for yourself so that you feel better. Point number 15 is communicate more, become more vocal. More I started communicating and being transparent with how I feel and how I want things to be. Life has become easier for me. That's just the way it is. So yeah, start talking more, being more vocal about how you feel, what you want out of life, out of things, out of people. Do not stop yourself. Be more vocal. Point number 16 is take up a few new hobbies. It is going to add to the quality of your life. Point number 17 is stop complaining and stop negative talk. I used to have this habit of constantly repeating something that has happened to me, especially something bad has happened to me, so I need to vent. So I would call all of my friends, repeat the same thing over and over again, and that honestly doesn't help you. Now I make sure and I go by this rule. Let's just say something bad happens to me. I call one friend, I talk to that friend about that thing for a minute or two, I vent it out, I take it out of my system, and then I never speak about it again to anybody else or to myself. I've stopped complaining about the things that go wrong in my life. And after that, what I've noticed is that fewer and fewer things are there to complain about. Point number 18 is have clear finance goals. How much you want to earn, how much you want to save, how much you want to invest, how much you want to spend on certain things. 2026 is a year that we are taking our financial independence very seriously. Point number 19, keep on educating yourself, even if it's through reading, listening to podcasts. Yes, that is a part of educating yourself, but why not enroll yourself in a course or a class that is going to add value to your skill and knowledge. So 2026 I am planning to either enroll in a sculpting class or a language course. Okay, anything, both of those two, or maybe even both. Point number 20 is take risk and put yourself out of your comfort zone on a frequent basis. Do things that make you feel a little uncomfortable, gives you a little bit of anxiety. Living a safe and predictable life is not going to get you anywhere. Point number 21, make new friends and start networking. Life is about collaboration, life is about helping each other, life is about community. So build your community. Number 22 is spend quality time with your people, your friends, your family, and your animals, pets, whatever. Point number 23 is start spending time with yourself. Get to know yourself, what you like, what you don't like. Again and again I keep saying this, that the relationship that you have with yourself is the most important relationship of your life. So please focus on that. Point number 24 is keep the promises that you made to yourself. And the last but the most important point number 25, fall in love with yourself and your life. You are the main character of your life. You are living this life for yourself and nobody else. You deserve love in your life, and the love that you give to yourself is very, very important. बाकी लोग दे नहीं दे फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. तुम खुद को प्यार करो, खुद की लाइफ से प्यार करो. So yes, that's it for this video. And yeah, let's follow through and let's get through with this and make 2026 the year that you become that girl.